What's up, guys? Welcome back to Smart Money TV. In today's video, I want to show you the latest update that has earned me over 25 core within 12 to 20 hours. I've earned over 25 core, which is $13. As you can see in my balance, I have 25 core, which is equivalent to $13.7. Okay, so I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how you can get started with it. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you have like 12 core. To get started, you need like 12.6 core, which is, let's say, 13 core. You need like 13 core. Make sure you deposit 13 core into your MetaMask wallet, and you will click on these dApps. You click on these dApps. Okay, so the link that you will load here is available in the description of this video. So guys, if you look at my earnings, you will see I have 25 core presently, and it's equivalent to 13.6. That is what I have earned so far. And if you scroll down, you will see that if you look at this free claiming, I can also claim 6 core. If I click on claim right now, I'll be able to claim 6 core. So after you log in, after you have deposited 13 core, the link to that will direct you to this page is available in the description of this video. When you click on the link, it will connect your wallet. That is the first thing you need to do. You connect your wallet and you will deposit. There's a place there that they will request you to deposit. So you register with 12.6 core. You register with 12.6 core. So when you register, you will click on my dashboard and it will direct you to this page. When you click on my dashboard, it will direct you to this page. So after 24 hours, you'll be able to claim your core. So if you register with 12.6 core, you'll be able to claim 1.7 or 2.5 core every day, every 24 hours. And if you also invite your friends, you can see this is my countdown. I have 18 hours, 25 minutes to claim. You can also copy your referral link here. You can copy it here and share with your friends. So referral is optional, but if you can do that, it will give you more, it will boost your earning. Okay, so guys, you don't have to fear. This project is backed up by shadowsap, so that is the major reason why I even opt into this project. It is backed up by shadowsap exchange dex. Okay, so you can see it. You can also go to their website to verify. So guys, I want you to opt into this and let us earn together. But know that this is not a financial advice. I am just sharing what works for me. It's not a financial advice. So if you want to join me to earn together, you can also register with the link that is available in the description of this video. So guys, I don't want you to miss out. I want you to register now and start earning. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.